In the digital marketing world, we see thousands of ads every single day on social media, across websites, within mobile apps. But how do brands stand out among so many ads? That's exactly what we are exploring today, and our topic is Google Display Ads. Visual advertising is now far more powerful than traditional TV, radio, or print promotions because users spend significantly more time online on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, websites, and apps. So, as digital marketers, we try to position ourselves right at the heart of this behavior. Of course, there's a reason behind that desire. A brand has one simple goal in mind: to capture its audience attention, stay visible, and drive them to action. Like every other PPC channel campaign type, Google Display Ads serve exactly to this purpose. Through banners, visuals, videos, and interactive formats, they reach potential customers, guiding them to a website or app, encouraging them to sign up for a service, or triggering a purchase. The power of Google Display Network is it is network because with the Google Display Ads, you can access over 90% of the online global ad inventory. This means brands can show the right message to the right person at the right time. Of course, if you structure your campaigns properly. But just like every other story, and of course every other PPC channel, this one also comes with some challenges. One of the first and biggest problems in display ads is ad fatigue. When users see the same creatives repeatedly, they become desensitized, which decreases clicks and engagement. Therefore, you should be refreshing your creatives continuously, which will burden you with operational tasks. Even though AI helps you a lot with this nowadays, the problem is still there. The second problem I can tell you is ad blockers. Every single day, increasing number of users rely on ad block tools to, well, simply block ads. This means your visibility online is decreasing. Last but not least, bot traffic and fake clicks are a real problem. Yes, sometimes clicks come from bots instead of real humans. The ad platforms do their best to prevent this and refund the money they were able to detect to you, but it is still a case. And unfortunately, even though there are some ways to minimize risks, fake clicks are something you cannot stop completely. This means increased costs and corrupted data. So, yes, in theory, everything is good, but in practice, things don't always run as smoothly as we expect. And this is where strategy comes into play because the success of display campaigns relies on the triangle of the right creative, the right targeting, and the right optimization. So, let's take a deeper look at each one. Number one is the right creative. The right creative is the one with high quality, a clear message, and a strong call to action. When you have such creatives, they capture users' attention immediately, which is what we want in the first place. Second, the right targeting. And the right targeting is the one with remarketing audiences and placements. Even though you can use display ads to attract new users, we use them mostly to bring back users who already showed interest in our products but didn't convert. The reason behind is, well, bot traffic and fake clicks. Remarketing and placement targeting are safer in display ads. And the last but not least, the right optimization. When you say the right optimization, it is the one with mobile optimization and A/B testing. Even though some platforms still relies on the desktop traffic, more than 70% of the traffic now comes from mobile. So it is safe to say that you should be optimizing everything for mobile. Of course, you should check your data first. Plus, using different creatives is a must for two reasons. One, to prevent ad fatigue. Two, to understand which color, message, creative works the best. So, with the right strategy, Google Display Ads can boost brand awareness, increase website traffic, support sales, and generate real, measurable outcomes for businesses. And actually, That's the beauty of digital marketing. You can measure almost everything, then analyze what you did, how it performed, and what needs to be improved. And like every other digital marketing channel, if you want to use display ads effectively in your business, strategy planning and ongoing optimizations are essential. And that's where we come in as SS&T Digital. We are always here on the other side of the screen for brands that want to grow digitally. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.